I need a moment of silence. Just take a moment of silence here. Let's take a moment of silence for all the money that I missed out on today. It hurts. It hurts deep down in my soul. VTVT this morning, you'll see the trade here in a minute. You'll see the entire breakdown. I had a beautiful, beautiful overall just plan, execution. I was ready. I had my shares. I was ready for the rocket ship to the moon ship. I had my moon boots on. I was ready to lock in a $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 day. But instead, I hit the wrong hotkey. Hit the wrong hotkey as this thing was exploding. You'll see it here in a second. You'll see the whole trade. It's all real time. Before the move happened, I called it out in real time. This is a real time video. This is not like me at the end of the day sitting here looking at charts and going, hey, yeah, you could have bought here and sold here. This is a real time video of the action happening. So stay tuned. See it all going down live in this video. Let's do it. Before we get into the live action really quickly here, do me one big favor. If you do enjoy these videos, if you are a fan of these videos, leave some love down below. Leave a comment. What stocks did you trade today? Maybe to say hello. Whatever you want to say it down below in the comments. Also, hit that subscribe button. We got to battle the dislikers. Whoever's disliking these videos, we have to eclipse their hate for these videos. So if you enjoy these videos, show some love. Let's do it. Let's do it. So it's still early morning. It's only 8:30 right now. And VTVT basically woke up this morning, jumped on the computer, didn't even have time to turn on the lights or get this thing recording. And I saw just this overall pattern, this breakout here on VTVT, and I missed this move up there to 290. Had a little bit of FOMO there, but trying to buy the dips. I can still buy some more. I'm looking to see if I can get close to 10,000 shares here. And then looking for this to push above $3 later on today. We traded VTVT yesterday. VTVT was a hot one yesterday. You can see just the overall trend, trending higher most of the day. Just boom, big move there on VTVT. I know that the stock definitely has some power behind it. And that's why I'm looking to play into this morning, looking for that move above 290s, 295 there, and then pushing up there above $3. So 306 is the pre-market high so far, and we're looking for that to get back up there above 306. All right, so I want to see VTVT make a move here. It's just been consolidating. It's just been consolidating there at the 280s now. So I want to see this thing push above $3 here. I was looking to get a little bit more fill. I was thinking we might get that pullback down in the 270s. We didn't get the pullback to 270s. So now I just want to see this thing break out above this resistance there, the 295. You can see that resistance there, 295. We're getting stuck at right now. I want to see this break above 295 and then get up there to $3. Show some strength here and keep this party going. Overall on the 5-minute chart, looking pretty good on the 5-minute chart. Pushing up there to 295. So let's see if we can break over 295 here. Get some fill there at 296 just to lock down some profit there. And look to sell the rest above $3 here. You can see that 5-minute trend right now, holding this, pushing it higher. And I was expecting a bit of a pullback down there to 285 like we just got. And let's see if this can't follow this trend higher and get above $3 here in a little bit. You can see on the chart we got this gap right now up there to 325. So we got a gap in the chart in this area. So we're going to see if we can get that push above $3 here and push up there towards 320. So I'm adding some more on this pullback here, this washout down to that support there, 265 support. I'm going to add a little bit more. Like I said, I was trying to get some more size this morning anyway. So I'm going to add a little bit more here, 270. So I'm looking for that 266 area to bounce here and push back up there towards $3 there at open. All right, so we're about to be back in the green here. Looking for this to push back above 280. I'll probably look to take some profit above 280 just to get my nerves right. Have a little bit more patience here. And look to take some profit there above 280. Let's see if we can get up there. All right, so we're looking for this to push up there above 280 here before open. A little bit of a push. Look to take some profit there. Like I said, take a little bit off before the market opens here above 280. Let's see if we can get that 284, 285 to pop up there. There we go. Little bit of a spread right here. A little bit of a squeeze going. So I basically screwed the pooch there. I hit my hotkey to sell a quarter and ended up hitting the wrong hotkey and selling everything there at 288. Well, that's frustrating. So let's see what happens here at open. We'll see if we get a little bit of a dip buy. Maybe there'll be something to pop up. Nice little spike up there to $3 now. There she goes. $2.99. Big seller sitting there, but man, would have had plenty of time to get out of this thing up above $2.90 there. There it is, above $3 now. Wow. Oh gosh. What a terrible. Oh my gosh. So basically on my keyboard, there's a line of keys that are offset to the left side, and I just wasn't paying attention. It's still early in the morning, you know. I'm just waking up here an hour ago, and I went to hit the hotkey. Basically, I have a hotkey set up so I can buy, sell a quarter, sell a half, and I went to sell a quarter there above 280, and there she goes, 318 now. That's not fun. 324 all the way, filling that gap on the chart like we talked about earlier. Look at that. Wow. It filled it. It filled the gap, boys. It filled the gap. And going higher now, 321. Making my stomach sick right now. On 9,000 shares, you can do the math there. You can do the math. We talked about earlier this morning how this thing was just trending higher. Look at this, yesterday all day long trending higher, still holding that overall just trend on the 5-minute chart. Why was it that I didn't cover down here when it started to go down? At one point I was down $1,500. One of the reasons I didn't cover down here was just because the volume just really wasn't a sell-off. It wasn't like this is really going to just start crashing. The volume was kind of sitting there. There was a big buyer there at 260, and I was expecting that we would at least get back up there to test $3 one more time before market open. And there, you know, above $3, boom, up there to 350 now. So beautiful move there on VTVT. Just really bad execution. Really poor execution on my part. That's basically what went down there. Wow, 365 now. This is gonna halt. This is gonna haunt me. This is gonna haunt me. Oh my baby Jesus. Almost, that was a full dollar. That would be $9,000 right now in profit, guys. That's $9,000 in profit. Yeah, I need a moment. This is why I talk about execution being so important. Execution being so important. Really understand your execution, understand your platform, your hotkeys, having all that lined up so that you're a robot, you're a machine. And this morning you can see what happens when you're not paying attention, when you're not focused. I don't even know if I should say I wasn't focused, but oh my baby Jesus, I kind of want to throw up. I'm at a loss of words. I'm at a loss for words here. You can see this morning my entries. I talked about how I wanted to get 10,000 shares there. If it did pull back some more, I got my fill and was looking for that push above $3, and we got all the way to 370. Talked about it in this video. The whole thing live in real time before the move happened. This is not hindsight trading. This is not just me sitting here going, oh yes, buy here, sell there, and you know, at the end of the day after the move's already over. So that's basically what you saw. You saw the plan, you saw the overall move and the action there, but really just blew it on my execution. Really blew it on my execution there. Just totally, really bad execution because, you know, I was just trying to get a third. Just trying to sell like 2,000 shares there above 280. I made $1,000 a day, but this feels like someone's ripping my heart out right now. Somebody's out there just ripping my heart out. Even if I would have gotten that push above $3 and made $2,000 or $3,000, I'd be totally happy right now. I wouldn't even care if the stock went to 370. But this is just really just a bad. And now my emotions, my overall just mindset just is not there. And I feel like if I do go and try to trade this some more, you know, I was thinking, oh, maybe I'll just wait for the open. I'll look for the dip. But I can just feel, you know, that emotion, that FOMO kicking in there. And so instead of being up, you know, being up $900 right now, I would maybe buy this FOMO and then end up losing $900. So I'm just gonna stay away from it. I'm gonna stay away from it, even though it's going to the moon. There it goes, $4 now. Oh gosh, baby Jesus, this is painful. It's like this is probably one of the most painful trades I've had in a really long time, and I made money on it. That's the worst part, is I made money on this trade. But it's just that painful to see this thing go to $4 now. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say about it. I don't know what to say. Terrible. There it is. 380. Beautiful. $3.90. High of day so far is $3.89. Ugh. $3.90. Come on. I kind of just want to see it break $4 just for the pure satisfaction, I guess. Oh, there you go. VTVT, baby. I had the plan. I executed the plan. I was in the plan. I made the plan. I followed the plan. Well, I hit my hockey and blew up the entire plan. Sabotage. Sabotage. I'm not trying to make excuses here. I'm not trying to make excuses by any means. But hey, you know, I'm just trying to share my emotional battle here. Oh my gosh, over $4 here. This thing's not stopping. I gotta walk away because I'm gonna do something stupid here. I'm gonna buy the dip and I'm gonna end up losing money. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna take my hands off of the keyboard. I'm gonna walk away here. Everything's falling down. Everything's collapsing. I'm done. I'm out of here. There it is. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm keeping my hands up here. I'm gonna watch it for a little bit. No, I'm walking away. I'm not gonna push my luck today. I'm not gonna push my luck. Oh God, it's painful. This is so I'm walking away. There it is. Talk to you guys later on. Later on.